Hello guys, this is Manindra and welcome to your another tutorial on bWAPP application penetration testing series. So in this video we're going to get into SQL injection get and search thing. So let's search for the movie Transformers. No movies were found, and here from this it's getting searched. So let's break query. So correspond to MySQL server, and MySQL server is being used here. So let's break this query and what we can give it here. Show tables. Let's try this. No, nothing. Show. Okay, we will try finding out at where these fields, for example these fields, wherever the script is getting run. So terminating that query, and I'm going to union select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's for now. It has to be done. No. Okay, we will search somewhere. Okay, at line 1 you have an error corresponding at line 1. Why? Near line 1, check the manual. Don't know why. Let's try this thing in here. Copy. Okay, it's not showing out there. Okay, here I didn't give this. Yes. So 1 second, in the places of where I have given these things, so like at the to place, let's give some command of SQL, like for example user at the place of 2. So these are the 2 3 5 4, these are where the commands get executed. So let's give user, it will give me the user, so root at localhost. Similarly, if we go with the 3 at version, it will give me that. So you can also parallelly do everything. So that's all I have for this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is Manendra Simhadri signing off.